Welcome, from the Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD into the device. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM ejector, as I have one right over here. They come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there, or you can also use a paper clip if you want to. Now once you have one of the two, simply pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone. As you can see, once you push it in, the tray will pop out. And once you take it out, you have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card, each having their own individual space. So I'm gonna occupy one of each. There we go. And from there, insert it back into the phone while actually holding it securely. As you can see, there's nothing really holding it in place. And once you do, you will see a pin, or that's at least for me, because I have a pin on my SIM card. So let's confirm that. And obviously SIM card is working, SD card should be working as well. There it is. So you can now see that the SD card is also connected. And that is how you would insert SIM and SD into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.